Hi everyone, my name is Ruth Ezine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to upload your video the right way so you can get more views. I know as a beginner you might be confused. Should you use your YouTube app or your YouTube studio or your browser to upload your video? So I'll be teaching you how you can upload your video the right way to get more views. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and share this video. So let's get started. So I'll be using my mobile phone to show you how to upload your video the right way. So YouTube is not like every other app where you just hit on the hit upload and you just post your video. YouTube is a different thing entirely. So I'll be showing you step by step how to upload your video the right way so that you'll be able to get more views. Now, most people use their YouTube app to upload their videos. The truth is, it's not that it's bad for you to use your YouTube app to upload your videos. But the truth is, YouTube app will limit you or will not show you all the features that you need to optimize your video for it to get more views. To upload your videos using your YouTube Studio app. Now, why is it important for us to use our YouTube Studio app? In the YouTube Studio app, you'll be seeing many features on what to do to optimize your video for it to get more views. So the first thing we are going to do is open your YouTube Studio app. So once you open the app, you see this plus sign here, you click it. So you might say upload video. So just go ahead and choose the video that you want to upload. So make sure that you already edited this video before uploading. Now let's add a good title. Your title should clearly tell people what the video is about and make them want to click. So for example, if your video is about cooking, if you want to do how to cook soup, you say how to cook soup. Just do something, put a very good title that people want to click. I hope you understand. So that's just how to do it. Or if you don't know how to get a title, just go to YouTube and search for the same thing that you want to do and see the title that people are using, then you use it on your own. So after that, the next thing you'll be saying is add description. This one is very important. This one is just to write the summary of what your video is all about. And as you are writing it, just don't forget to add your important keywords too. So for example, we'll be using cooking. For example, you can say in this video I'll be showing you how to cook jollof rice. In this video I'll be showing you how to cook Nigerian. Just tell them what they are going to expect in that video. So after that, you'll be saying visibility. So this is here you'll be able to choose how you want your video to be. So you want it to be on public instantly, you want it to be unlisted, only people that have link to the video can see it before you publish it, or if you don't want to publish it. Then the next one is on private. This one you're the only one that can see it. I always advise that you put your video on private before uploading it. I hope you understand. So if you still want to schedule it, there are options there. You schedule it to the date and time that you want your video to drop. So after that, the next thing you'll be seeing is select audience. Once you click on it, you'll see, is this video made for kids? If you click yes, it's made for kids, or no, it's not made for kids. I always advise you put your video on it's not made for kids. If not, they'll be showing your videos to children. So the next one is your location. Once you click on it, are you seeing? So you can decide to add your location or you leave it like that. Next one is add to playlist. So if you want to add those videos to playlist, you click the plus sign and you add it there. So the next one is, so you say paid promotion. They'll ask, does this video include paid promotion? If yes, you click yes. If no, you click no. I hope you understand. So since it's not, I'll click no. Are you seeing? So the next one will be invite a collaborator. So you might want to share this video with, like, collaborate with another YouTuber. So you can just click that place and you see all the process that you need to take. I hope you understand. So you can just go there and search for the YouTuber that you want to collaborate with. So let me say I want to collaborate with my other YouTube account. I'll just type Root Apparel and follow the process, and that is it. So the next one you see is altered content. So just you say, does any of the following describe your video? Just read through. If it's yes, you say yes, like use AI or anything to change the way your video works. So once you're done with that, you just go ahead and click upload. So once you upload the video, allow it to upload. So as the video is uploading, just go to that particular video there. Are you seeing? Then you just click on the three dots close to the particular video. So that you'll be able to, are you seeing the three dot there? You click it, then you click on edit. Are you seeing? Once you click on edit, it will now bring other options for you. I hope you are following this step. It will now bring other options for you. Now you see line of thumbnail, so click on it and click on custom thumbnail. So before now you should have designed your thumbnail, or if you just want a normal picture, that's fine. So it's good for you to design your thumbnail before now. So once you save it to your phone, just go ahead and look for it, click it, basically add to your video. And thumbnail is very very important because that's what people will see first before even reading the title. So if you don't know how to create your YouTube thumbnail, let me know in the comment section so I can do a video about it. So the next thing we'll be doing is to add tags. So once you scroll down to where you see add tags, you click it. Are you seeing? Now these tags, these are words that will help YouTube to understand your video and push it to the right audience. So since we're using cooking, for example, so you can add how to cook, Nigerian dishes, and each right always add comma to it. I hope you get. So don't overflow this place with plenty tags. You can add up to 5 or 10 and that's enough. So you can say how to cook, how to cook jollof rice. Just add those things, cooking and the rest. So that's what your tag is. So most of the options here, we already edited it before this place. So you can just skip it. I hope you understand. So the next thing is category. This one is very, very important. So you need to put your video in a category that fits with the niche that you're doing. So if you're doing an educational video, you can add it under education. So if you're doing vlog, add it under that vlog. So if your video is about how to cook, how to sew, you can add it there. I hope you understand this one. So if it's about sports, you add it under sports. Always know what your video is all about and categorize it very well. So once you're done with that, you click on save. So it will now do save changes. So that way our video will now be processing. I hope you understand. So like I said, it's very very important that your video is on private before uploading. Very very important. That way if there are maybe there's any mistake or anything on the video, you'll be able to see it. So for this particular video, you see that after uploading, you see that visibility is on private, restriction is showing none, and the quality of the video is also showing. So if your video is not on private, you end up making mistake, and once you have already published the video already, you know what it means. Coming back to delete that video and edit it again is very very difficult. So always put your video on private before uploading. That's how to upload your videos the right way. Remember, good title, good description, a clear thumbnail, and you get more views. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share this video and turn on your notification bell so that you see more of my tutorials.